Your starter file for the trivia game has two artboards, one for the question screen and one for the finish congratulations screen. And this is how I've designed mine. You can do this or something of your own choice. I'm going to slide the congratulations artboard down out of the way so I have more space to work on the main artboards, and then I'm going to Alt-Option drag the name of the question artboard over to duplicate it. I'm going to change bullseye to be green because it's the right answer, and that's how I want to indicate that it's correct. And then I'm going to Alt or Option drag the name of the artboard to create another duplicate. And this one I'm going to add a button at the bottom, so I'm just going to duplicate. I'm going to Alt or Option drag the horsey button. You can drag any button, but I'm going to pick that one and Alt Option drag it down to make a copy of it. And then I'm going to change the words just by highlighting and typing in next. And then I'm going to change the color. I'm actually going to make next white, so we won't see it right now, but we're going to change the color of the box to make it transparent. So now we can see the white word on the transparent background. Then I'm going to slide over to the congratulations artboard and do the same thing with the button there to give the design some consistency across the artboards. And then I'm going to Alt or Option drag the first screen again all the way over to the right to get a duplicate of that. And on this one, I'm going to create my wrong answers. So Bullwinkle is not right. So I'm going to change the color of that to a red to indicate that it's wrong. And then I'm going to tap the name of the artboard and Option or Alt drag it over to the right again, and I'm going to add that next button. So I'm going to go back to the artboard that had the next button and copy it, and then tap the name of this screen and paste, and it'll go right into the spot I want. But I'm going to change the word from next to try again. And then I'm going to take both of these two artboards, so Shift Option and drag them both over together to create two more artboards for the other wrong answer, which is horsey. So we're going to change Bullwinkle back to white, and we're going to change horsey to red. And try again is already there, so we don't have to do anything with that. Great. Now I have all the artboards I need to start wiring my prototype. So switch over to prototype. We're going to pick the bullseye button and wire it to the next screen. And then we're going to tap the name of this screen and wire it to the screen to its right, the next one. And this time we're going to switch on click and use after delay so that it's going to happen just after some time passes. So I want 1 second, so I just put 1 second, and that changes to 1,000 milliseconds, but that's all good. And then I'm going to wire the next button to the congratulations screen. Okay, I'm going to also wire up my wrong answers. So I'm going to wire the Bullwinkle button to the first screen with the first artboard with the red Bullwinkle. And I'm going to tap the name of that screen and again, wire it, but pick after delay and give it the 1 second delay. And then I'm going to wire the try again on that screen is going to go back to the very first screen. And then I'm going to wire horsey from the first screen all the way over to the fifth screen. And then I'm going to wire the fifth screen by tapping the name and using after delay and switching to 1 second. And then on the very last screen over there, I'm going to wire try again back to the very beginning. Okay, so there's all the wires. Let's take a look at the prototype. Let's play it, and if we tap on Bullwinkle, it's red, and then if we wait, try again just shows up automatically. Tap try again, and we go back to the beginning. Tap Horsey, wait, you see try again, and then you can tap Bullseye, again, wait, next shows up, and then you tap next, and you get to the congratulations screen. I'm gonna step back into this and add a little bit more fun to it since it's a game. I want to go to the congratulations screen. I'm going to draw a rectangle kind of over the middle of the screen. It doesn't matter what color it is. And then I'm going to send that all the way to the back. I'm just doing this to kind of get everything in the right order. Now I'm going to tap the background color and send it to the back so that the gray box I just drew is kind of behind the 100 and the person's avatar and all that stuff, but in front of the background. Now I'm going to drop a animated GIF into this box, which I found online, so I'm going to just drop this confetti there. And now we're going to go and tap play next to flow, and when we tap Bullseye, it's the right answer, so we get next, and we get to see our confetti. So it makes the game a lot more fun to look at.